The powerful Publisher Select software helps you create, manage, and submit sets of documents easily from your desktop to your printers. Experience the benefits of easy job submission, first-time right printing, and increased workflow productivity. Start by simply connecting one or two printers at the same time using dual printer support. Any combination of PlotWave and ColorWave printers is possible, as well as a range of image ProGraph printers. Publisher Select automatically discovers the printers that are connected. Create, manage, and submit jobs to two printers at the same time from one screen in a single application. Constant feedback on the printer status, media, and ink and toner availability enables you to maximize uptime. Add files by clicking Add Documents or by dragging and dropping on the printer queue or the media template of your choice. Publisher Select even allows you to drag and drop print files from one printer queue to another. Avoid misprints thanks to the automated What You See is What You Print preview that issues a clear warning when a file requires attention. Zoom in and out using the enlarged preview functionality to check details before you print. Easily crop your PDF files to save time and avoid wasting media. Use smart features to increase productivity even further, such as the Print Assistant for automatic optimal print mode settings and automatic legend detection. Standardize your workflow by assigning specialized media templates to individual files or batches of files within a multi-file print job. Or use up to 5 active hot folders to integrate with your own workflow. Creating and saving a new media template is easy and intuitive. Simply select your preferred settings, assign a name, and save. The new media template is now available for selection. If necessary, you can change the name of your job to make it easier to find later in your print history. When you are all set, just press the green button to get perfect prints that are right the first time, every time. The submitted job list shows the jobs that have been submitted to the printer. This enables you to remove, save, duplicate, and edit, or reprint a submitted job. Open WebTools Express to navigate to the web-based job submission tool. Here, you can access additional functionalities such as your Smart Inbox and the printer counters. Publisher Select is a portfolio-wide solution that supports all PlotWave and ColorWave printers, as well as a large range of image ProGraph printers. To summarize, Publisher Select allows you to increase your workflow productivity, save operator time and effort, and avoid costly misprints. Download Publisher Select today and experience the instant workflow boost for yourself.